Here at Fushi, all of our oils are ethically and sustainably sourced directly from our growers. They are organic and wild grown, naturally air or sun dried, and freshly pressed from only this season's harvest of naturally dried seeds, kernels and nuts. They are bottled in plastic-free, light-protected glass bottles for maximum potency and efficacy. Our beauty oils are 100% pure. They are food grade, cold pressed, unrefined and absolutely nothing else added. No chemicals, fragrances or preservatives. We are inspired by Ayurveda, where natural oils have been used for thousands of years for their incredible benefits for skin, hair and body. We use the same fresh pressed oils and infuse them with our freshly ground herbs to create our award-winning really good beauty oils. Fushi, no hype, just honesty.